This is a way to make cream cheese. The ingredients are simple. I use 250 milliliters of whole milk and 250 milliliters of high-fat cream and the juice of half a lemon. A tablespoon of lemon juice is added to thicken the milk and cream and nothing else, so the highest quality dairy and freshest lemon will make the best tasting cream cheese. I began heating the milk and cream up slowly to 85 degrees Celsius and prepared the draining container. I rinsed a 100% cotton cheesecloth in warm water to remove any dust that might have got on it in storage, and draped the cheesecloth into a draining container and set it aside. I do not like to boil the milk and cream and used an instant read thermometer to help me monitor the temperature. After a minute at 85 degrees Celsius, I add the lemon juice and stir the mixture for 5 minutes. The acid in the lemon juice causes the whey to separate from the milk and cream. I turn the heat off and let the milk and cream cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it stops steaming. I carefully poured the mixture into the cheesecloth and transfer the container to the refrigerator to be left undisturbed to drain the whey from the milk and cream for about 8 hours. The cheese comes out of the strainer very easily. I slowly peel the cheesecloth away from the cheese and transfer it to a mason jar. Perfectly smooth and very creamy with a rich dairy flavor.